Good morning, everyone. It is 8:05 a.m. in Columbia, Missouri, so that's 8:05 a.m. Central Time. Here is an update of the current winter storm. We had some snow overnight, and then there was, surprisingly and unexpected, a dry slot that came into the region for a couple hours and didn't get as much snow as initially predicted by this time of the morning. According to the airport here, we have 4 inches on the ground. So as you can see, the snow is starting to pick back up a little bit. Looks like it's been snowing for about 15-20 minutes since the break. So as you can see, there's still a good amount on the ground. You can't really see the grass. So that's that. I will give you guys an update in a few hours.